Okay, into this video, it's late unboxing, super late unboxing. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Christine, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I do upload a new video. Okay, in today's video, I'll be doing my monthly subscription beauty box unboxing for my Boxycharm for this month. This is very late unboxing already. No time, so busy. So finally, I decided to do a quick unboxing for you guys, and I want to share with you what I got for this month for my Boxycharm. The boxes look like this, and yeah, oh, it's very light box this month, super light box. Very cute paperwork for this month. Spill band. Again, at the back they put everything what's inside the box. Alright, we got this Tarte Wink of H20 Vegan Collagen Eye Cream. Ooh, I love eye cream. When it comes to skincare, again, I always say this to my video. When it comes to skincare, I do love eye cream. One of my favorite when it comes to skincare, eye cream. So we got Tarte Wink of H20 Vegan Collagen Eye Cream, and it's $35 for this little eye cream. I'm excited. Actually, I love eye cream. I can't wait to use this one for my under eyes. I love eye cream. I do love eye cream. Alright, next is this Ace Beauty Falling For You palette. Oh, it's so cute, and then this is $34.99, and the packaging is so cute, like fall leaves, like colorful fall leaves. Super cute packaging of eyeshadow palette. Every time I receive an eyeshadow palette, they are so cute. The packaging is so nice, so cute, and yeah, it's just like so cute. So this was look like super cute. Again, super cute packaging of eyeshadow palette, fall season packaging. So next we got this Tres Loose Beauty Like an Artist brush set. So this is what it look like. So another brush set for this month. So we got another brush set to play with, to use for our eyeshadow palette. That's perfect. Next is Camera Unique Beauty Mary Lash, another fall lashes. I remember last month I got a fall lashes with adhesive glue, and yeah, we got another eyelashes. I have enough eyelashes to play with. Actually, I'm wearing the fall lashes right now, and I'm still learning how to put it onto my fall lashes, but it's fun to play with it, so I am excited to try this onto my eyelashes. We're learning how to put eyelashes. I don't know, I still don't know. It takes me forever to put fall lashes. So last is this Peel Cosmetics Adhesive Liquid Eyeliner. Liquid liner. I mean, liquid liner. Oh, adhesive liquid liner. I think, oh, okay. So we got the fall lashes and also the liquid liner, and it's called, so okay, so we got fall lashes, and also it comes with the adhesive liquid liner in the shade Jet Black. So that's perfect, they go together, so I can't wait to play with it. Again, we're still learning how to put eyelash so learning to put how I'm still learning how to put the fall lashes onto my real fall lashes, but it's fun to play with. So we got these two together, and also we got a brush, and we got an eyeshadow to use with the brush. So I'm really excited with this too, that I can use actually the brush into my new fall eyeshadow. so cute. And also I love we got one skincare. We got eye cream, my favorite when it comes to skincare, eye cream. Alright everyone, that's it for my late unboxing. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you'll notified every time I do upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!